Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what I got. Let's see, can I find it first? Oh, I found it. Gotta pick it up. It's a big surprise. I don't know about y'all, but you know, I've been waiting on this for the longest. Just guess what's in this bag. Just guess. Take a good guess. Let me show y'all. We actually have a turbo whistle. Check out the bag. I got an extra large. The extra large was around about $20. I'd say around about $20 to $25. They have them at different prices, but I got this off eBay for $20 plus tax. So it came around about $25. So we're finna do it before and after. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video. And I know I haven't been posting like I used to, but you know, I'm trying to bring out more content. That, you know, that's why I'm really doing a video about this turbo whistle. I wasn't I wasn't gonna do a video about this turbo whistle. I was just gonna put it on, but I'm gonna show y'all before and after. Let's get straight to the video. So I'm about to start the car. So we're about to get ready to put the turbo whistle on. You see, I got it right here. Okay, so I don't know why my camera cut off, but here's the after right now. Okay, that was the after. I don't know if I can hear. I gotta replay the clip to see did I hear something or not. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video. I'm really trying to cut this video short because my camera is steady cutting off because it keeps saying I don't have enough storage. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.